What if I told you there are certain phrases you can say that immediately spark a deep emotional connection with a woman? Sounds unreal, right? But it's not magic, it's psychology. Because the truth is, words shape emotion. And when you know what to say and how to say it, you don't need pickup lines. You create chemistry. So in this video, I'm going to give you 6 high-impact phrases that instantly make you more attractive, confident, and unforgettable. And the final one? Most guys are too scared to ever use it. Let's dive in. Phrase 1. There's something different about you. I can't quite explain it, but I like it. This isn't just a compliment, it's a curiosity hook. Instead of stating the obvious, you're planting a question in her mind. What does he see in me? What's different about me? That mental loop keeps her thinking about you long after the conversation ends. Why it works? Most guys only notice the surface, appearance, outfit, smile. But this shows you're tuned into her vibe, not just her look. And that's powerful. Phrase 2. I'm drawn to women who are clear on what they want. This phrase does 2 things. It complements her ambition. It signals your own standards. You're not chasing approval. You're declaring what attracts you. It flips the dynamic. Now she wants to show she fits your type. Why it works. Women are instinctively drawn to men who know themselves and set boundaries. This phrase speaks volumes about your confidence without bragging. Phrase 3. That's what I admire most about you. Use this to go beyond surface level praise. Instead of "you're cute" or "you have a nice smile," say, "The way you light up when you talk about what you love. That's what I admire most about you." It tells her you're not just looking, you're listening. You're picking up on the little things most guys miss. Timing is key. Use it in moments of connection, after she shares something personal or passionate. It will hit 10 times harder. Phrase 4. You're interesting, but I don't think you're ready for someone like me. Now we're turning up the heat. This one creates mystery and challenge. It's playful, slightly bold, but irresistible. Why it works? It activates 2 things. Scarcity. You're not easy to get. Intrigue. You made her curious about your standards. Use it with a smirk, maybe after she tries to playfully brag or tease you. She'll instantly want to prove she's ready for someone like you. Phrase 5. I can be a lot to handle. Think you can keep up? This line flips the usual dynamic. Most guys chase. This makes her lean in. You're confident, a little unpredictable, and not afraid to own your power. Why it works? It positions you as the prize, but in a fun, flirty way. Say it with a teasing tone. Let it land. Then watch her energy shift. Phrase 6. I'm not the type who opens up easily, so don't take this lightly. This phrase? A game changer. Why? It creates emotional weight. It tells her, I'm selective. If I'm sharing with you, you matter. That's magnetic. It builds tension and depth, something most surface level interactions never reach. Use this when you're about to share something meaningful. She'll lean in, emotionally and mentally. These 6 phrases aren't magic tricks. They work because they tap into psychology, curiosity, scarcity, emotional resonance. When delivered with genuine confidence and the right energy, they don't just get her attention, they keep it. But remember, it's not about memorizing lines. It's about feeling what you say and saying it with authentic energy. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button, because in the next video, we're going even deeper into the psychology of attraction. See you there.